Welcome to the best picks. The best trampoline parts is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of maintaining a fun and safe backyard activity. Whether you're a seasoned jumper or just starting out, knowing when and how to replace trampoline parts is crucial. In this video, we'll dive into the essential components that often need replacing and how to choose the right ones to keep your trampoline bouncing safely for years to come. Number 5. SkyBound 14-foot trampoline mat with spring tool. Introducing the SkyBound replacement trampoline mat. It's designed to fit 14-foot frames and comes with a spring tool. This mat ensures a safe and enjoyable bouncing experience. This mat is built to last. It features heavy-duty stitching, strong rings, and a UV protective coating. This helps your kids bounce safely all year round. The mat is 147 inches wide and has 72 rings. It's compatible with 14-foot diameter trampoline frames. Remember, springs are not included. Ordering a replacement mat can be tricky, but SkyBound makes it easy. Check out their how to measure videos or the product details below for help. SkyBound guarantees fun with a 1-year warranty. This ensures that you can enjoy the product with peace of mind. With extra rows of stitching, this mat is designed to last longer. For even greater protection, consider SkyBound's premium mats with SunGuard. What we like. This trampoline mat boasts extra rows of stitching for enhanced durability, ensuring a longer lifespan. It also features UV protection, safeguarding against sun damage. If you are looking for a mat that offers both longevity and safety, this is the perfect choice for you. With its robust construction and warranty, it provides peace of mind for years to come. What people say. This mat fit perfected and the bounce is amazing. It was easy to install and fit perfectly. It has had snow on it, 10 plus kids on it, 400 plus lbs on it, and it still works and looks like new. Number 4. SkyBound 15-foot trampoline mat with spring tool. Introducing the SkyBound replacement trampoline mat, designed for 15-foot frames. It comes with a spring tool, making installation easier. This mat ensures a safe and enjoyable bouncing experience. This mat is built to last, featuring heavy-duty stitching and strong rings. It also has a UV protective coating, ensuring your kids can bounce safely all year round. The design focuses on both durability and safety. Ordering a replacement can be tricky, but SkyBound simplifies it. Check out their how to measure videos for guidance. It's designed to fit 15-foot diameter trampoline frames with 96 springs and 7-inch springs. SkyBound guarantees fun with a 1-year warranty. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that the product is backed by a solid guarantee. Enjoy your new trampoline mat worry-free. The mat is built to last with extra rows of stitching, extending its lifespan. For even greater protection, consider SkyBound's premium mats with SunGuard protection. It helps the mat last longer. What we like. This trampoline mat is designed with heavy-duty stitching and stronger rings, ensuring a secure and safe bouncing experience. It also incorporates UV protection to withstand the elements. If you have a 15-foot trampoline and prioritize safety and durability, this mat is an excellent investment. It's built to last and keep your family bouncing safely. What people say. Fit trampoline perfect. Easy to install. Made a 20-year-old trampoline feel brand new. This replacement jump mat fit perfectly. It was easy to install with the pulling tool included. Was exactly what we needed, fit perfectly. Number 3. Trampoline pole caps with screw thumb, blue. These pole caps are designed to fit 1.5-inch diameter trampoline enclosure poles. They ensure a secure and proper fit for your trampoline safety net. The screw thumb makes it easy to fasten the cap to the pole by hand. This simple design allows for quick and hassle-free installation. These end caps securely attach the net to the enclosure poles. This feature enhances the safety of your trampoline, keeping users protected. It's a good investment to renew your trampoline easily. Replacing these caps can help extend the life and improve the appearance of your trampoline. Please measure your pole diameter before purchasing. This will help ensure that it fits your trampoline and avoid any potential issues. What we like. These pole caps are designed for easy and secure attachment, ensuring your net stays firmly in place. They are simple to fasten by hand, making installation a breeze. If you are looking to quickly and easily renew your trampoline and enhance its safety, these pole caps are a smart and convenient solution. They offer a simple upgrade for a safer bouncing experience. What people say. These were perfect replacement. Easy install and perfect fit for what we needed. Worked great. Replaced broken ones. Number 2. Skywalker Trampolines Enclosure Pole Set, 4201, 4202, 5075. This enclosure pole set prioritizes safety. All products are tested to meet or exceed ASTM standards, ensuring a secure experience for everyone. Built to last, this set features a weather and rust-resistant galvanized steel frame. It's designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. The set includes part numbers 4201, 4202, and 5075. It comes with one upper enclosure tube, one lower enclosure tube, and 2 pieces of foam. Screws are not included. Enjoy peace of mind with a 3-year limited warranty. This genuine Skywalker trampoline component is backed by a warranty for your confidence. This set is compatible with various Skywalker trampoline models, including OWTC-12, STC-12X.2, and more. The X indicates compatibility across all colors. The package contains one upper enclosure tube, one lower enclosure tube, and 2 pieces of foam. It has everything you need to enhance your trampoline setup. What we like. This enclosure pole set is constructed from weather and rust-resistant galvanized steel, ensuring long-lasting performance. It is designed to meet or exceed all ASTM standards. If you value safety and durability in your trampoline setup, this pole set is an excellent choice. It provides a secure and reliable enclosure, giving you peace of mind. What people say. Fit perfectly and easy to assemble. Just snap together and pop in. Easy to install. Durable. It fit perfect. Number 1. Trampoline Pro Replacement Mat for 14-foot frame. Is your trampoline mat worn out? This replacement mat is designed for 14-foot frames with 72 spots. It's a perfect fit for your Sports Power Bounce Pro model. Make sure this mat is the right size. It's specifically for a 14-foot frame with a 150 mat and 72 spots. Please check your measurements before ordering. This mat is built to last. It's weather and UV resistant, and generally higher quality than your original trampoline mat. It meets or exceeds ASTM safety standards. We stand behind our products. That's why we offer a TPR warranty. If it fails within 12 months, we'll replace or refund it. Need help? Contact us. We're a USA company based in Utah. We'll respond to your questions within 24 hours. What we like. This replacement mat is built to be weather and UV resistant, ensuring it can withstand outdoor conditions. It is backed by a solid warranty, giving you confidence in your purchase. If you are looking for a reliable replacement mat with excellent customer support, this is the ideal choice. It offers both durability and peace of mind, ensuring your trampoline is ready for fun. What people say. Working perfectly with a perfect fit too. It fit perfect for the 72 ring with 5 1/2-inch springs. It also came with the tool to stretch the springs. Works better than the one we had before. Was easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.